The ocean. It's vast, powerful, and full of life. It provides food and work to millions of people. From small communities to huge industries, the sea plays a major role in our daily lives, even if we don't realize it. But there's the problem that we don't even realize. Something that happens far out at sea, far from shore, and that is illegal fishing. It's a growing threat, and it's hurting our oceans and the people who depend on them. Illegal fishing, also called IUU, as explained in the previous video, means fishing without following the rules. It could be fishing in areas where it's not allowed, catching too many fish, or taking species that are protected. It's estimated that every 1 in 5 fish is caught illegally. That's about 20% of the whole fish market. And you might assume that it's not that much considering it's just 20%, but believe me, it costs the global economy billions of dollars every year. Illegal fishing can lead to overfishing, which means taking more fish than nature can replenish. When fish populations drop, the whole ecosystem suffers. Coral reefs get damaged, other marine animals like dolphins and turtles get caught in nets, and the balance of life underwater starts to break down. Do you know who gets the short end of the stick? Yes, the small coastal communities. The fishermen that rely on the ocean to feed their families. Illegal fishing makes it harder for them to survive. As fish stocks shrink, these communities lose their main source of income. And it's not even like this is the distant future. This is happening now. Fish markets that were once full are now struggling to keep up. And when the fish disappears, so do all the jobs associated with them. What's that, you ask? What's being done about all this? Well, governments, organizations, and communities are working hard to stop illegal fishing. There are better tracking systems integrated. These monitor fishing vessels. There are stronger laws being imposed, as well as more protection for certain areas of the ocean. But I'll be honest, it is a tough fight. And yes, we haven't even discussed about the technology that's at play. Technology is helping, like always. Satellites are being used to track fishing boats, making it harder for illegal fishers to hide. Coast guards are stepping up patrols, and countries are working towards creating marine protected areas, places where fishing is either controlled or not allowed at all. Another solution that is actually sustainable is aquaculture, or as it is commonly regarded, fish farming. Fish farming can take pressure off wild fish stocks and give us another source of seafood, but it has to be managed carefully. There's no doubt about that. Otherwise, it is gonna do more harm than it is gonna do good. The good news is that we need to band together in order to fight this global threat. And I am calling it a global threat because that is what it exactly is. By supporting sustainable fishing practices, respecting the rules, and protecting our oceans, we are going to ensure that this does not bring down our fishing future. The ocean belongs to all of us, and it is our duty to protect it. Goodbye.